Tiantuan's IBC Lift Blender is designed to handle lifting and blending operations in solid dosage production lines. Safety is priority for this IBC Lift Blender. The IBC will only be lifted only after the required tightening force is achieved to ensure safety. Detachable trolley for easy to move the IBC and maintenance. The IBC rotates in both forward and reverse directions for uniform blending. Stops precisely at 0-degree position when halted. Lifting up and down allows direct discharge into the receiving bin without needing any dispensing station or forklift from outside. Adjustable height by the IBC lifter. Blender for accurate positioning of IBC during material transfer. This feature is uniquely available on Tiantuan's machine, offering enhanced safety, precision, and flexibility in production workflows. Adapter mounted on receiving bin to prevent dust generation. After discharge, the bin is lifted up to create clearance for easy removal of the receiving bin.